Hey everyone! Welcome back to Pharmaceutical. In today's video, we're diving into a super important topic in the pharmaceutical world, OOS, which stands for out of specification. What is OOS, out of specification? It refers to test results that fall outside the predefined acceptance criteria or specifications established in a drug product or raw material. In simple terms, when the result is not within the expected limits, it's called OOS. These limits are usually defined in pharmacopoeias. Like USP, EP, IP, regulatory filings, internal specifications. Why is OOS a big deal? An OOS is not just a failed test. It can mean something is wrong with the product, the method, the instrument, or even the person performing the test. Regulatory bodies like US FDA or MHRA take OOS results very seriously, because they could indicate potential risks to patient safety. Phases of OOS investigation. There are two major phases in an OOS investigation. Phase 1, laboratory investigation, check for analyst errors, verify calculations, recheck instrument calibration, review method and procedure. Phase 2, full-scale investigation. If no lab error is found, then a full-scale investigation is initiated. This includes reviewing manufacturing process, checking raw materials, examining batch records, identifying potential root causes. Example of an OOS. Let's say, you're testing assay of a paracetamol tablet. The specification says, 95% to 105% of the label claim. Now, your HPLC result comes as 92.3%. This is out of specification because it's below the minimum acceptance limit. Now, your job is to investigate whether it's analyst error, instrument issue, or is the product genuinely not meeting the spec. OOS versus OOT versus OOE. OOS, result is outside limits. OOT, out of trend, result is within limits but not consistent with historical data. OOE, out of expectation, unexpected result, not due to failure but unusual. So remember friends, OOS is not just a failure. It's a signal. Investigate it properly, document everything, and always follow SOPs. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to channel for more such pharma content.